Shenzhen Hr-tenda Technology Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional development and manufacturer of EAS-RF AM antenna, EAS-RF AM board, EAS-RF AM deactivator. Besides, we are cooperated with reliable factories for the accessories. EAS system is widely used in supermarket, clothes shops, drugstore, and library. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. At present, whole China market for EAS business, original factory, and direct export company is not above 3%, but we are original factory and direct export more than 11 years. We can offer best price and best quality support and after technology support and so on. In addition, we also could provide OEM and ODM services for overseas customers. Till now, Hr-tenda has successfully built its customers' relationship all over the world, such as Europe, North America, South America, Southeast Asia, Africa, and so on. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Advanced production equipment, leading detection instrument, and sound quality management system have guaranteed the excellent quality of our EAS. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive price.